Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to talk about MT today, and I don't want to be insensitive or feel like I can ne? MT was live and he was talking about how he was being treated. I think that he was at some mall. I don't know what happened because he kept on going on and saying that if they're meant to kill me, let them kill me on live. There's CCTV footages. You guys are going to see who the real killer is. And then someone on his the comment section commented that Nyaube boy, and he started going off on this. I don't know whether to call this person a hater or what, ne? And all I'm saying is that the only person who's responsible for the downfall of MT is MT. I've said this also on the last post that I posted where he fell asleep, or he seemed like he was falling asleep on stage while performing, and I wanted to believe that he was getting paid to perform there. He is his own enemy. No one is doing it for him. He is doing it himself for free, unprovoked. He is doing it for free. There are people that support him. There are people that supported him. I'm one of the people who followed him when he started. I used to be a huge fan. And then there started the drama of him and his wife and drugs. Yeah. At least if people are talking bad about you, at least give us good music. Give us something to talk about and say, yeah, I mean, he likes women, he's a womanizer, but hey, he's a hustler, he works. Like, literally, what are you doing with your life, my guy? Sure, Hashem, empty disappointed the witty. Sure, Hashem.